Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, hope you are well. I am also fine. I am Saiful Islam. Dear student, this is my sixth lecture on taxation in Bangladesh. Today's my textile topic is how to will calculation of income from house property. Dear student, income from house property, its section is 24. From calculation of income from house property, dear student, look at the blackboard. Here there is a chart. The following chart, you will calculation income from house property. At first, you will calculation income from house property. First section is income. At first, actual rental value or municipal value. Given in the question, there are actual rental value or municipal value. You will write two values, but which is higher value? From two values, you will take it. Then you will deduct some expense. These are called allowable expense. Income from house property or house, in case of house property, there are some allowable expense. These are at first repair and maintenance expense, land development tax, land revenue and rent, annual tax or municipal tax, insurance premium, interest on mortgage loan, interest on brought capital, vacant allowance. You will calculate vacant allowance the following formula: unrealized rate. These are allowable expense, and we will add total allowable expense and show here from rental value. We will deduct total allowable expense. Then the result will be income from house property. Dear student, I want to again reply. At first, actual rental value. At first, we will write actual rental value or municipal value. Given in the question, there will be actual rental value and municipal value. We will write both. But which is higher value? We will show in outside. Suppose actual rental value there are 2 lakh and municipal value there are 3 lakh. So we will put up here 3 lakh because 2 lakh and 3 lakh. 3 lakh is higher. So we will write here 3 lakh. And some allowable expense we will deduct from here. In income from house property, there are some allowable expense. These are, I would mention again. At first, repair and maintenance expense, land development tax, land revenue and rent, annual tax or municipal tax, insurance premium, interest on mortgage loan, interest on brought capital, vacant allowance. We will calculation vacant allowance the following formula. According to following formula, unrealized rate. Dear student, repair and maintenance expense there are a question. Sometimes 25% and sometimes 30%. 25% or 30%, it will be calculated this value. When 25% and when 30%. There are two questions. First is commercial expense and second is residential commercial case. Second is residential case. আমি একটু বাংলায় বলি, একটা হলো বাণিজ্যিক উদ্দেশ্যে আর আরেকটা হচ্ছে বাসস্থান ভাড়া দেওয়ার উদ্দেশ্যে। যদি বাণিজ্যিক কমার্শিয়াল ক্ষেত্রে হয় সেই ক্ষেত্রে হবে 30%, আর যদি রেসিডেন্সিয়াল অর্থাৎ ভাড়া দেওয়ার উদ্দেশ্য হয়, আবাসিক উদ্দেশ্য হয়, তাহলে 25%. Then other expenses are land development tax, land revenue rent, annual tax or municipal tax, insurance premium, interest on mortgage loan, interest on borrowed capital, back-end allowance. Back-end allowance you will not get in the question directly. You will must calculate back-end allowance the following way. That means annual value into back-end time divided by 12. Back-end time means how much time your house was vacant. অর্থাৎ যদি বাংলায় বলি, তোমার ওই বাড়াটা কত মাস শূন্য ছিল, মানে বাড়া বাদে ছিল, ইটস vacant time. And unrealized rent, these are total allowable expense. Actual rental value or municipal value which is higher from this figure we will deduct total allowable expense. Then the result will be actual income from house property. And income from house property section is 24. Dear student, I have seen that and I have analysis section in Bangladesh question last 5 years, and I have seen that every year from these types of math, that means income from house property, you will get a math from these items. So you will very well prepared in this math, and this is actual formula for income from house property. You should read more and more. If you read more and more, then you will know how to calculation or how to calculate or how to prepare income from house property. This is the actual formula for income from house property. At first income, then expense deduct. There are a lot of expense related to income from house property, and these are income item of income from house property. So dear student, you will very well and you will see the lecture more and more time. If you find any problem, you will must contact with me. Thanks a lot. Assalamu alaikum.